Good morning, grade one student. How are you all? How are you all feeling today? Feeling good? Ready to study? Yes, early in the morning, tummies are full, had a good breakfast. I hope so. You all must have. Yes, had a good breakfast, feeling relaxed. Yes, feeling energetic to learn something in the class, to learn something new in the class. And which lesson is this? Correct. It's your literacy lesson. And which week are we on now? This is your 22nd week. 22nd week of your final term. That is term 2. Right? And as I have already explained you, we are very, very near final exams. Right? So I hope you all are studying at home. You all are revising what we have done up till now. Yes, are you all doing that? Yes, children, you are revising whatever we are doing, whatever we have covered up till now. I hope you all are revising that, you all are studying that. It's very, very important because and this is week 22, 23rd will be your last week of all the course that we need to cover, and 24th week will be your reinforcement, that whatever we have done up till now, we are going to revise that. And after that, you will have your final exams, right? So are you all ready for that? That's great. Now, before going to the topic, before telling you what we are going to learn today, I'm going to show you a video. Again, that is our, yes, the video is our Edward video, and you have to watch that video carefully, and when we will, after you have watched the video, we are going to discuss that. Ready for that? All right, there you go. Just a minute, class. Oops, sorry. There you go. Can you all see my screen, class? There. That's great.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ahmed, and today I will share with you the story of Mr. Ijaz, who had bad food eating habits.
Horace, I'm hungry. Quickly make me pizza. Cheese pizza. With lots of pepperoni. Making, sir. Following your order. Horace, be quick. What is wrong with you? I'm hungry. I'm starving. Be quick. Food is here, sir. Food is here. Your favorite pizza with cheese and pepperoni. I love this food. I love this food. I'm hungry again. What to eat? Fries and maybe burger. Aris, make me french fries, burger, and some donuts too. Making, sir. Preparing your food. Yummy, yummy. I love this food. I'm gonna eat all of this. Oh my god. I feel so heavy. I feel really heavy. I can't burp. What to do? Let me try some exercise maybe. Maybe that can help. Let me walk. Let me try and walk. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. 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 Nothing worked, man. Nothing worked. I feel very heavy. Can't even burp. So that was Mr. Ajaz. Bad eating food habits. that leads to a lot of problems. So it's for you to decide what do you choose: fruits, fresh fruits, vegetables, healthy food, or junk food.
Okay. So now tell me, children, what was the video about? Yes, it was about junk food. I know you all like junk food. You all love junk food. Isn't it so? Don't you love pizza? Don't you love French fries? You love French fries? You love pizzas? You love burgers? So what type of foods are these? All these pizzas, burgers, fries, they are junk food. Why? Because they give your body lots of oil, lots of fatty cheese that makes you fat. Yes, it makes you fat. It doesn't give you proper diet. It doesn't give you protein. It doesn't give you vitamins. It doesn't give you carbohydrates. It doesn't give you all the minerals. It only makes your body fat, and that increases the fatty things, the fat in your body, the oil in your body, right? Which is very, very harmful, which is harmful for your health. You eat all these junk food, then you sleep, and then your digestive system is affected, other systems are affected in your body. So it is not at all healthy. It's not at all healthy. Do you think you should eat all this food? Of course not. You see, once a week is fine. Like once a week, you can say Friday or Saturday, you can have some of them, but not all the time. Because I have seen kids of your age, children of your age, they love eating all these things. They love all the time. They want to order junk food. They want to have this junk food, which is not good for you. So children, you should be careful. You should be careful of your diet. You should be careful of whatever you are eating. I'm sure your moms must have told you this, that you shouldn't be having all this type of food all the time. Isn't it so? She must have told you that. Okay, now I'm going to share another picture and we are going to see what is there over there in the picture and what type of food is that. Okay. Can you see my board, class? Can you see all the food items? Can you name them for me, please? Yes, you can see nuts over there. You can see fruit like apple. You can see vegetables. You can see cauliflower. You can see eggs. You can see bananas. You can see chips. You can see candies, chocolates. You can see burger, French fries, popcorn, cookies, pizza. Now, out of this, out of all these food items, what do you think is junk over here? What is junk food? Yes, pizza is junk food. You can say French fries are junk food. You can see burgers are junk food. You can see all the candies, all chocolates. These are all junk food, and cheese also. Whereas what is healthy over here? Of course, all the fruits which are there are healthy. Banana is healthy. Apples are healthy. Cauliflower, eggs and nuts. These nuts are also healthy for you. So you should have them. You should have them in breakfast. You should have them in lunch, in supper, in dinner. So you should have all the healthy foods. Nuts are very good. It's good for your health. Peanuts are good for your health. Almonds are good. Sometimes you can have cookies also, but not all the time. Yes, you understand. So this was all about the food that you should eat. You should have these vegetables. You should have fruits in the middle after having breakfast, like in the middle of the day. Like if you have breakfast at 9 o'clock, then 11:30, 11 o'clock, you can have some fruits, you can have some vegetables, or you can have some nuts. Then you have your lunchtime, and between the lunchtime, if you have tea, you can have something with tea, or at that time, like 5 or 6 o'clock, you can have some milkshake, which is good for you. And then you can have your dinner, in which dinner you can have some healthy food items which your mom cook at home for you. Yes, isn't it like that? Now I'm going to show you another video, and that video again is our Edward video, which is going to show you what is healthy for you. Are you all ready for that? Great, there you go. Can you see my screen, class? Very good. There you go.
Healthy foods. For breakfast, I have milk, juice, eggs, bread, butter, cheese, and even cereal. For brunch, I have fruits like apple, banana, kiwi, orange, watermelon, avocado, those types of fruits. And even my fruit basket. For lunch, I have meat like fish and chicken. For evening snacks, I have almonds, walnuts, and milk. For dinner, I have vegetables like carrots, cabbage, corns, broccolis, tomatoes, and everything like that. And also some salad afterwards and some soup. And for dessert, I can have sweets like pumpkin pie or cookies or even ice cream.
Okay, so you have seen what were the healthy foods over there. As I have told you, you should have egg for breakfast, then milk for breakfast, bread for breakfast, and in between breakfast, that is brunch time, like 11 o'clock, 11:30, you can have some fruits, some other raw vegetables like carrots are good, cucumber is good, or fruits, banana, apple you can take. And then later on, you will have your lunch. In lunch, you should have some vegetables and some other, you can say chapati or rice. And then evening snack, what you should have some milk or some nuts or some milkshake you can have these days. Mangoes are there, so you can have a mango shake. I know you all love mangoes, right? And then in the dinner time, you can have some vegetables, or some, if you like to have a fish, you can have some fish or some chicken. That way you will be getting a healthy diet. You know, healthy diet is very, very important for you, since you people are at growing age, so you should be having healthy food items. Yes. Now, before going to the class task, let's have an exercise session. Now, I want you to just do whatever I tell you. You open your arms like this, stretch your arms, then take up like this, then again down, then again up, then again down, and then over here. Now, close your eyes for a second. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes. I hope you feel better. Yes? So this means that exercise is also very important. On one side, you should take healthy diet. On the other side, you should have some exercise. It is not that you all sit on in front of your laptops or computers and play games or study or do whatever. Exercising is very important. You should get up from your places, do some exercise, or you should walk at in your house. I know it's COVID time, you cannot go for jogging or for walking for outside your houses, so you can have it inside your house as well, right? Okay, now is the time for you to do the task. Now, as you know, it was about healthy and unhealthy food. So you are going to make a list of healthy food items and unhealthy food items in your notebooks. And for homework, you can draw some pictures beside those words that you have written. Now, how you are going to write down? You are going to write down healthy on one side, got it? And unhealthy on other. Okay? Sorry. Healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay, so you are going to make a list of healthy food and unhealthy food in your notebooks, and it's only listing and all that you already know. You have seen 2 videos of healthy food and unhealthy food, so you should be knowing that. That's why I'm not telling you that. Okay, and for that I'm going to give you 10 minutes time, and your time starts now. Time is up. Time is up, class. Okay, now show me your list. Okay, now can you read out one of you healthy foods first? Okay, chicken, fish, broccoli, very good. Cauliflower, okay. Spinach, very good. Banana, very good. Mango, very good. Apple, very good. Nuts, very good. And what about unhealthy? French fries, chips, very good. Burgers, pizzas, and what else is unhealthy? You can say all type and different types of chips, different types of, you can say cookies also, biscuits, chocolates, right? Candies. Very good. So that means today topic was unhealthy and unhealthy food. This was actually apart from your course book. It is not included in your course book. This was only, and I just wanted to make it sure that my children, they should know what is healthy and what is unhealthy food. Okay, so I hope you must have learned something, and keep doing your homework like I have explained. You do revise everything, whatever we have done throughout this week. Okay, class, throughout this session, actually, not week, throughout this session. And do remember about healthy and unhealthy food, and don't forget to watch your Edward videos. Okay. All right. So see you in your science lesson. Bye-bye.